At Blue Group, we love the sound of a breaker in the morning. So does Greg. What Greg doesn't like is the clock ticking and the downtime growing. But there's a better way. With our Blue Care team, we provide proactive scheduled attachment servicing to ensure the uptime of all our attachment brands, helping you minimise disruptions whilst maximising productivity. You simply select your date and we'll take care of the rest. We can even get replacement machinery if needed. Deliver it when we collect your unit from site. All work is carried out at our workshop, a Rammer Excellence Service Centre, where we have specialist equipment and years of experience, which means you get your tools back on the job in tip-top condition. So rather than suffering through the downtime, you're smashing through the uptime. Hear that? Beautiful. I'm Mick, and this is how we do attachment servicing at Blue Group. Blue Care, leading service from Blue Group.